Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Hi, I'm Stephanie Wade. I'm in Galveston, Texas, y'all. Visualizing myself in the Gambia as well. But you know, you're limited to being in one place at a time. It's just the way it is, y'all. I decided to come out of the house and walk a little bit. Wow, those clouds are really dark. Hopefully it won't rain on my head before I make it back home. But anyways, I just got through looking at a lot of videos, y'all, and doing some of those new YouTube collab things, y'all, that's like a short. And I've been having fun doing those, y'all. One of them I did was about boosting your brain by exercising, y'all. Just exercising. And y'all know, if y'all been watching me at all, I do not want to have a brain that's not strong, healthy. I don't want to have Alzheimer's or organic brain, y'all. And if I can in any way build my brain cells up and make me some neural pathways by walking, y'all, I'll be walking and walking. As they say, walking and talking and talking and walking. Oh, yeah. Can always take a little short sit down for a lean on or whatever for a second. Because the less you exercise, the quicker you get out of breath or weaker muscles. I got weaker muscles after I got shingles, y'all. Doctor told me being in the sun would make it last longer. And I felt like I was already in so much discomfort. I sure didn't want to prolong that pain, y'all. So I limited my exposure to the sun, y'all. Melanin or no melanin, I had shingles. But now, thank the Most High, for the most part, back in remission. I only have just a little tingling on the left side, y'all. Not really that painful, but it's a little uncomfortable when I'm trying to lean back on something, even something as soft as a pillow, no matter what kind of pillow I use. But I'm visualizing myself having those neurals for your nerves, whatever the neuropathic nerve endings. I'm visualizing them healing up where I won't even be delicate like that again. I just don't want to be bothered with that, y'all. That discomfort is not a good thing. When I'm walking, I'll be trying to think which direction I want to go. I'm always going by the VA because they got their chair. But this time I think I'll go a different direction around this school, since school is out, y'all. So it's a nice walk. If I want to lean on something, I can lean on one of these beautiful trees around here. Listen to these beautiful birds make all kind of noises, y'all. I really love nature. And that's one of the things that's good for your brain cells too, y'all. Being out in nature, whether you're taking a walk or you're gardening, you're learning to do some good deep breathing. Like they say, in through your nose, hold it, out through your mouth. It can get real in the detail, y'all, and I ain't gonna promise you that I know how to do that. But at least I can say I'm doing one foot in front of the other today and doing what I gotta do to keep my body moving, even if it's limited, y'all. If I have to go and walk up to a curb that's elevated and sit on it, that's what I'll do. How y'all been lately? Let me know where you're watching me from. Whew, this school is called L.A. Morgan School. I'm just on one side of it right now, sitting on this elevated curb. Think I'll just rest a little bit. I used to walk around this neighborhood growing up. One of my classmates, Judy Bernard, her grandparents, well, her godparents, used to live around here. And I would go and visit her at their house. That used to be so much fun, y'all. Having friends that's around the corner mostly. It's almost like having a sibling, but one that you actually choose to be around. And that you get along because you got some things in common. And they be happy to see you when you come. So, I have very good memories of my good friend, Judy Bernard. She left this plane too soon, but we know not the hour. And that's what one of the videos was talking about too, something that I'm always talking about. Leaving legacy, because you want to be remembered, because no one knows the hour. And so you try to have a good balance between doing good in the world and doing some good for yourself, like getting out and exercising. You have to come across as somebody who don't need anybody. Y'all, I know to travel fast, I can travel alone, but to travel far, I have to travel with others. And y'all, I'd rather travel far. So I like traveling with others. Man, my team in the Gambia, they just amazing, y'all. That food forest, in less than 2 years, has gone from literal grass to grace. It just makes me smile every time I see updates, whether it's video or photos. Because I know how far we've come. The donations from our GoFundMe and Cash App, they may not seem like much to the people that's giving, but y'all, it was the widow's mite to us. And we stretched it, and I'll keep stretching it. We keep on keeping on stretching it until the eagle sings from a dollar bill, y'all. As we changing the dollars and the pounds into the lassie. And you know, everything is in proportion. So it makes it easier because we can do slowly by slowly in Africa and people can visualize how much people actually getting for funding and saying that it's used 100% for the project. Because you can see the tiny house bricks being built, knowing that it's not the first thing on the agenda. That the first thing on the agenda was to plant the trees and the seeds and the flowers first, to actually work on building the food forest before putting a house on the property. A tiny mud house, y'all. It's gonna be just what we need to host schools and visitors from foreign lands, or even from just different communities that want to get an education in a permaculture. We are a learning resource laboratory, classroom without walls. Oh yeah, y'all. Encouraging people to grow what they eat and eat what they grow. That's what we do, y'all. In Jambanjelly in the Gambia, y'all. And we do it with the help of the good people in the team in the Gambia and all our donors in the diaspora and in the Gambia, y'all. And we appreciate y'all. We would have had arrested development without continued donations from fabulous people like you, and you. I appreciate and love all of y'all. Abaraka. We are grateful. We are all building legacy for tomorrow. Because again, I say, we know not the hour, y'all. We just don't. So, we learning how to get to the next level of evolution. And that's partly by leaving legacy so people will remember us, that we did some good things that will still be growing when we are gone to the next plane of existence. That people that's right here on this planet will be eating fruits, smelling flowers, touching trees that we planted yesterday and today, and some during the rainy season even. If you have not subscribed, please do. It took me from December last year till today to get to $100 on YouTube, because that's the minimum I need to get paid, y'all. Because it's not just the subscribers. You have to actually hit that notification bell, watch the whole video, including the ads, and share. But most of the people that's watching You guys are not subscribed. It's free, y'all. What you waiting on? Please hit that notification button and hit that subscribe button right now if you have not. I'll surely appreciate that. Don't let me have to wait a whole nother 6 months just to get another $100. Should be in my account by the end of next month. 100% of it is going to the Food Forest project. It's not about me. It's for the team, y'all. And remember, you guys who give of yourself, whether it's in kind by working on the team on Sunday at the Food Forest, or donating through GoFundMe and Cash App. All of it is greatly appreciated and needed. Generous donations like you all give. Like I said, whether it's giving enough for coffee or $5. No matter what you choose to donate, y'all, we're ever so grateful. We're ever so grateful. And don't get it twisted. We don't get free money from any grants and all of that. We're too small to qualify for any of that anyway. And we try our best not to even go after specific type groups, because whoever donates big money to you, you have to represent them. There's always something you got to do for that money, y'all. And right now, we're empowering people to self-sufficiency through permaculture education. We are going to train men. We're going to train women. We're going to educate the children when they come with their teachers on field trips, so they can come there and plant a seed and take it home in a cup. Have their own little plant when they go home. They're going to welcome all of the beautiful people that come from abroad. They come in there, and no matter what they choose to donate, we will be having a baraka. We are grateful on our lips. We are not owned by the corporations or special interest groups, y'all. We depend on the generosity of beautiful people, loving people like you. May the Most High give you long life, good health, prosperity, forever. This is Galveston, y'all. People gonna say something on the video. I don't even know who this is, but that's just life, y'all. But anyway, and sometimes you think people talking to you, they might be talking to somebody else. Like they say, you think this song is about you, don't you? But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go on back to the house before it rains on my head. I'm sure enjoying the breeze right here. Probably hug a tree or two on the way home. And I hope y'all enjoy y'all walk. wherever y'all are in the world, that you'll go out there and do a nice nature walk, enjoy the birds. Hold on, I'm gonna turn this around just for a second before I end so y'all can see some wildflowers.